A quick update on DEGEN here. So looking at DEGEN's overall chart, going from the low to the high, we did end up tagging that final support area. So I do believe the bottom is in on DEGEN here. So let's go ahead and get that one out of the way. So what we've been watching recently on DEGEN is, of course, this white line down below the 236 that we're holding. You can see in the past there is support and resistance around this area. So we are back above it and holding here for the last 6 days, so it doesn't look too bad. So the bigger thing to watch, let's zoom into the daily chart here. Of course, getting over the macro 236 and then the macro 382 at about 007. But right now, we're just going to focus on going from this high to the low. And you can see that we're sitting and getting stuck right at the 618, but these 3-day candles are getting stuck at the 786 here, wicking above 3. So if we can get above that, break this high at 37, and then we should have a decent little move up to the larger 382 here. And then one other thing we'll do, and then we'll zoom back out in just a moment, but going from this high to the low, yeah, we're right here at the 236, right at that previous high. So once we get over that level, then we can start to move up and potentially get DEGEN back over, all the way up to 007 to be bullish once again. And then after that, a penny, and then so on and so forth. But I do believe DEGEN's going to have a decent run. I do believe the bottom is in here. So to make it back up where it got stuck last time would be a 10x move up to 3 pennies. But I do believe this thing's going to rocket up here. So we've been looking at the 10-cent range for maybe a higher high. So a 30x would not be bad on DEGEN here. And if it's going to hit and tag the official 1272 at 17, that would be over a 55x on DEGEN here. So we'll see how it plays out. But comment down below. What are your thoughts? Are you adding to your DEGEN position down here on potentially the macro bottom? None of this is financial advice, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.